What's up guys, Anish here, and we are going to do another unboxing video. This time it's the Micromax InNote 1. Again, I bought this from the Flipkart Big Savings Day, which was from 25 to 29th of July. I bought this phone for just rupees 10,999. It's the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage option. So let's quickly unbox it. Opening the box, we get the InNote 1 on top. So after the phone, we have is the case for the phone, which is always good to have, and we also have the user guide. Moving forward, we have the charger and the USB Type-C cable with it, and we get a 18-watt fast charger in the box. So I will just peel off the plastic now. Okay, so moving forward to the design, this phone again is made completely out of plastic. The back is plastic and so are the sides. We have a green color here, so let's compare it with the Galaxy F62, but they both look very different, and the F62 is much heavier than the InNote 1. So looking closely to the design, we have the In logo at the bottom. We have a lot of fingerprints that's showing up here, so I would recommend you use the case that's provided with the phone. Here we have the rear mounted fingerprint reader, and on top of that we have quad camera setup. The primary camera is of 48 megapixel. Then we have the 5 megapixel ultra wide, and then everyone's favorite 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor as well. The primary camera can shoot up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. These are some sample shots from the InNote 1. These are some selfie shots for your reference. And this is a 1080p 30 fps video for your reference. On the front, we have a 6.67 inch 1080p IPS LCD display with a punch hole design. The screen can go up to 450 nits of peak brightness. If you look at the sides, we have the volume button here, followed by the power button, the headphone jack, USB Type-C, speaker. We have the noise cancellation mic here. On the left side, we have the dedicated Google Assistant button here, as you can see, and followed by the SIM tray. Opening up the SIM slot, guys, this one also has a proper dedicated micro SD card slot along with the 2 SIM slots, as you can see. Let me just put it back. This phone has got a Giglio He85 processor, a big 5000 mAh battery which supports 18 watts of fast charging, and the charger provided in the box is also 18-watt fast charger, so it's good to see. And it also supports reverse charging, so you can charge your any other smartphone with this smartphone. Also for connectivity, it has Bluetooth 5.0, it has support for Wi-Fi AC, and it does have an FM radio as well, but it does not have an NFC sensor. Now looking at the software, let's go into the settings, about phone, and it runs on version Android 10, so which is slightly disappointing, but you don't get any pre-installed apps or bloatware here. As you can see, these are the only apps that come with the phone. These are all the Google apps that comes with the phone, and there is nothing else, and there is no annoying notifications or anything that bugs you up. And you also get a very clean and stockish Android look. This is very close to stock Android, so I think this is the biggest selling point of the phone at this price point. So for 10,999, guys, I think this is a really good choice if you want a phone which is made by an Indian brand, and also if you want a stock Android phone with no ads and no bloatware, then this is the phone to get. But saying that, there are also better options with better performance, but they also have more ads in them, so it's up to you what you want. So that's all for this video, guys. If you like the content, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading